Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get started setting up your GumRoad page. So I've got the website pulled up here. You can read through this. Essentially, it is the fastest and easiest way to start selling your educational content online. So as you can see here, go from $0 to $1. With GumRoad, anyone can earn their first dollar online. Just start with what you know, see what sticks, and get paid. It's that easy. So you can read through this website for more information. You can also go to their Discover page, which is essentially their search engine for browsing all of the available content on the platform. I will note that you need to get your first $10 in sales and get verified by GumRoad in order to show up on the Discover page, which is something that I'm still in the process of doing. I haven't actually gotten any sales on my GumRoad page yet, but I'm going to leave a link in the description below where you can check out some of my content that's available on GumRoad. But for this video, I really just want to show you how to get started launching your store and selling info products on this website. So there's actually a very well-known influencer on LinkedIn. His name is Justin Welsh. And he has, I don't know, 300,000 plus followers on LinkedIn. And he actually has a Gumroad page where he's selling his, I forget what it is that he's teaching, but he has a couple different courses available on here. And he makes posts about it occasionally. And that's one of the things that got me interested in setting up my own page on Gumroad. So I'm going to go over to my dashboard. It's totally free to sign up, and you can read more information about the pricing here. They have a very interesting pricing model where essentially the more you sell, the less you pay in commissions. So there's no monthly fees. It's free to start. And if you sell more, you pay less. There's no limit to what you can sell, courses, memberships, whatever. You also get access to all the features, no tiered subscriptions, and their community of millions is here to help you even internationally. So as you can see, the pricing model over here, lifetime earnings, if you're making $0 to 1,000, you're paying 9% fee. And then 1,000 and upwards, 1,000 to 10,000, 7%. So as you can see, the commissions that they're taking from you for transactions is actually going down the more that you sell, which is pretty awesome. So in order to get started, you just create a free account, and then you can click here to go to your dashboard. And that will pull up my dashboard. And right off the bat, you can see the getting started section here. It shows the ones that I've already completed. And then I also need to make my first sale, which I'm still working on. I'm mostly promoting it through my LinkedIn group and a few other places. And then you need to get your first payout, and then it will be listed on Gumroad Discover. But I'm already starting to build a subscriber base. So here's the followers that I have so far. And so that's good news. And then if I go to products here, I can actually, you can see the different products I've created along with revenue, sales, and pricing. And if I click on one of these, getting started with affiliate marketing, for example, it will open up the product page where you can fill out all of the information. So this is what you're going to be doing when you create your first online product on Gumroad. So you enter the name, description. Try to make this as thorough and complete as possible. You're going to want to make sure to sell them. So try to be as convincing as possible as to why they want to buy this online product. So I've basically just, I'm saying what they'll be learning in this video tutorial, giving some information so that they can learn more about affiliate marketing, and then going from there. Here's where you choose the URL. Here's your cover image, which is going to be what shows up at the top. I'll show you what that looks like in a second. Here's your thumbnail image, which you'll see as you're scrolling through your products. You can choose the call to action. So this is what the button says right here. It can either say, I want this, buy this, or pay. I think I want this is best. And then here's the summary of what they're going to be getting. You'll get the step-by-step affiliate marketing tutorial. And I could add some more information there, but I think that's okay for now. And there's the price. This is really cool because you can set the price that they're going to be paying. You can also offer a rental. So let's say they want to just rent it for 72 hours and then it expires. And then you can set a price for that. Let's say a lower price, like 20 bucks. But in this case, I just want to sell it. And so they can either bid $50 or more. You can turn this off to just set a fixed price. So say I only want to sell for 50 bucks, or I can allow them to bid however much they want for this product, which is really cool. That allows you to charge possibly, a set price and then more than what you think it's worth. And here's where you can limit product sales, that sort of thing. Wouldn't worry about that too much when you're getting started. And obviously, you're going to want to upload the content right here. So you can either choose a link to, let's say, your YouTube channel, or you can just upload the video straight to GumRoad, where they can either watch it or download it. As you can see over here, they can watch it, so it's just streaming on GumRoad, or they have the ability to download it. If I want to disable file downloads, I can check this, and it will turn off the downloads. Let's say I want to make this something that only I own. Then you can do that. But in this case, I allow them to download it as well. And you've also got the checkout page. So it makes it really easy for them to pay. They just enter their name, card information, email address, and a coupon code if you allow one, and that's it. So pretty straightforward, really easy to accept payments, and you can integrate both PayPal and I believe Stripe as well. So that's definitely comes in handy. And here's where you can embed it on your website. Let's say you have a website where you want to sell these. You can get the embed code or this little overlay right here and put that on your website. And then this is where you do the SEO. So once it's listed on Gumroad Discover, which again, you're going to need one sale worth over $10, and then Gumroad needs to verify your payment or your page as well. So here's where you can actually set the category that it's going to be showing up in. In this case, marketing and sales, business and money. That's where I've listed the affiliate marketing one. But keep in mind, it's not actually available on Gumroad Discover yet until I get my first customer. So that's one thing I really want to get locked down soon. Here's where you can add the tags. So you can just type affiliate right here, and you can see how many people are searching for that, how many tags it has, and all of that stuff. So I'm actually going to change this a little bit and add some more affiliate tags there. And then this is really cool too, where you can actually boost your product visibility on Gumroad Discover once it's listed there. And then you just give them 30% commission or more. So when you get a sale, you pay them that 30%. But I've basically just gone through and turned this on for all of my products for sale because I figure it doesn't hurt. I'd rather get more sales than less, and boosting the visibility on Gumroad Discover is definitely going to help to do that. So once you filled out all this information, just save your changes, and then you can actually just click here and preview. So we can preview what it looks like. This is what the potential customer is going to see when you send them the link. So as you can see, cover image at the top, title, description, price right here. You can choose however much you want to pay. I'm hoping to get more like $150 for this one. Then you just click I want this, and you go to the checkout page. So yeah, very straightforward, very easy to use. I also really like the design as well. It's very simple and not too busy. It looks great. So that's how you create your products on Gumroad. And another really nice thing that they have is the ability to offer affiliate. So let's say you want somebody to help you start promoting your products for sale on GumRoad. You can send them to an onboarding form right here, and then you just list the different products that you want to offer as an affiliate. This one I would also turn on my NFT course. So I forget what the link is to that. I think it's just NFT OpenSea. So I can put that right here. And then that lists this product in the affiliate program. This one also I want to add as an affiliate. So basically, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, essentially you're allowing someone to promote your product and then they get a commission on every sale. And I can set my commission right here. 20% might be a little bit too generous, but I think that's fine. I'm just starting out. So print, there's my print on demand course. So I've already got quite a few products for sale on here, and they're just video tutorials. So yeah, okay, so we can do that, and then I can show you what the affiliate page looks like. This is what they'll see, and then they can simply submit an affiliate request, and you can either approve or deny it depending on their qualifications and whether you think that they're going to actually help drive sales on your page. So I already have a few affiliates. I think just two so far. Actually, whoa. Well, I have just two, and they've signed up for these different programs, these courses that I'm selling. So if they can help me get a sale of these, then they're going to get 20% commission, which is win-win situation. So once you actually have some followers on your GumRoad page or people have subscribed, then you can come over here to posts and see I've already created one post here, which I can easily view. And this will basically just update people on how they can get started, essentially. So I'm just giving them a link to my course content, telling them why I would like to get my first customer, and then also promoting the affiliate program a little bit. And you can also see what the open rate was, all that stuff. So once you have a few followers, you can set up posts and workflows just to get them more interested in your offers. And last but not least, I want to show you settings. So if you go to settings and then profile, this is where you fill out all the information. This is how your page is going to look, which we can preview. So you want to make sure to fill out your name, the name of the company, or your own name. Bio, I just put subscribe for best practices to grow your online business. And I've included my logo here. I can change the color of the highlighting, but I'm just going to use a standard one. And then here's all of the products where you can rearrange them if you want them to show up higher or lower on the page. I recommend doing that. Show the products that people are most likely to click on at the top and least likely to click on at the bottom. So I've got my subscribe supporting member down here where they can basically donate a certain amount per month. And there's all the tags. And then also you can set up your payments. So you can connect your PayPal account here, and you can also connect a bank account. So you fill out all of that information right here. So you can either receive via PayPal or a bank account. And you can also see your analytics. So I've been getting quite a bit of traffic to the page just by promoting it through LinkedIn. So as you can see, I've got about 130 views and 0 sales, which is quite surprising to me, since that is a pretty decent number of views, but I'm still not getting any sales for whatever reason. But I figure as long as I keep promoting it, I'm not running any advertising campaigns, which I could probably start doing, but I don't really want to invest advertising spend into it if I'm not getting any sales. I want to get some sales first, then we can decide whether to start advertising it or not. But for now, I'm mostly just building my follower base. So I've got a few followers and just basically just promoting it, right? So GumRoad is a really, really good way to basically earn your first dollar online just by selling info products. And you can see exactly how to do that now. All you have to do is sign up, click on new product, and this will allow you to sell either a digital product, a course or tutorial, an ebook, a newsletter, membership, so donating monthly, a podcast, a physical good, or an audio book. And you can simply name it and set your price, and you're off to the races. So go ahead and check out GumRoad. I've included an affiliate link of mine in the description below, so you can sign up with my affiliate link. That way I get a small commission for every new sale. I'd really appreciate it. And that's basically how to get started selling products on GumRoad. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and stay tuned for more content like this coming soon.